Howdy, wagwan. My name is Goldberg. I'm born in Jamaica one Sunday morning after one heavy shower of rain. So them tell me, but me love the story. So, make we chat up the thing now. Make we help you fi read and write and chat Jamaikan Kriyuol. First thing first, the sound that are the key to Jamaikan Kriyuol. Yes, the sound. So listen to the 12 vowel sound as me go through them for you now. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Ah. O. Again. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Ah. Oh. Yes, man. Them they are the 12 vowel sound in a Patwa. Remember now, fi chat Jamaikan Kriyuol, uno have to listen to the lingo. Yes, man. Listen to the Jamaican lingo. Because Patwa have one rhythm in there. It's sweet, you see. And when you can chat the Patwa with the lingo, you're going to feel good. The next thing, uno fi say it just like how uno hear it. Then uno fi write where uno hear and read where uno see. And that go on. Yes, man, and that go on. So, what the ear look like in a Patwa? Uno think of this one? No, sir. This one say ah. But this one say ear. So these are the real ear sound in a Patwa. Now, look on some word. Them word you have the ear sound in a them. So look good. April, great, pray, obey. Again, April, great, pray, obey. Remember now, are the sound we are deal with. The sound. And it are the key to Jamaikan Kriyuol. Tap and catch on a breath. Check Amazon fi see me. Book.